Anna Gil Taylor.
I'm Jackie Terraville.
I'm Nikki Poles.
We're the Bayheim Ball Fashion Team.
Hello everybody, you are watching officially unofficial pre-Bayheim Ball fashion segments. I am your host, Anna Gil Taylor. For those of you who do not know or not familiar with the Bayheim Ball, Nikki is going to give us a brief summary of what the gala is all about.
So it's the Jim and Julie Bayheim Foundation's annual charity event. This is one of their biggest events for the year. The basketball has raised over $5.5 million in proceeds to benefit cancer research and programming for children in the CNY community.
Yeah, right here, love it, stays local, and it's also one of Central New York's top social events.
It's a lot of fun. Guests enjoy lively entertainment, gourmet food and cocktails, and a VIP reception.
And in that VIP reception, they can get a picture with Jim and Julie.
There's more. There's a live and silent auctions and dancing to the sounds of primetime horns, which always manages to keep people on the dance floor.
Ooh, I hear that.
And one of the biggest highlights of the night as well is that guests receives complimentary pictures with the team.
That's always a hit.
Always.
So, if you're a fan of men's basketball, Jim and Julie Bayheim, and raising money for our community, this event should definitely be in your bucket list.
Stay tuned because we have a lot of great fashion tips for you.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any tips for the Bayheim Gala.
There we go, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to have great tips for you. This is Anna Gil Taylor, and you are watching officially unofficial pre-Bayheim Ball fashion segments. Bye!